Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for clicking on my racing video. We are watching the finals at Eastern Creek's Sydney titles. I hope you all enjoy my racing video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Like the video if you enjoyed the race and share my channel and videos around so others can also enjoy them. I'm loving the amount of views I'm getting each video. It feels good knowing that my channel is slowly growing. Although a lot of those views are still from people who aren't subscribed. If you do keep coming back and keep watching my racing videos, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps my channel grow to help me fund some of my racing career. I'd be very grateful if you do subscribe. Now, this final is a little bit different. So I'm actually going to be tagging along with you guys this race. It's only going to be 5 minutes. It was a 15-lap race. It still is. I'm actually going off script as well. This is the first time I've gone off script since my first few videos. I went script, but I went to script commentary because I'm just a little bit. I have no filter if I go non-script, but there's only 5 minutes, so there was a bit of an issue at the start of the race, and my GoPro decided to fall down, and I lost pretty much the whole video. Like, I still have all of the GoPro video footage of the heat, but I mean it's just literally my nose cone that you'll see. So I thought I'd just do 5 minutes of the start of the race just to give you a little bit of a view. I'm going to put up the speed hive of my finals. It'll show like the times that I was doing. It'll show the difference in times, and it'll also show the time difference between me and the person in front of me. So obviously I'm starting 27th. I had a bit of a spin in the pre-finals, and that was my racecraft error. And yeah, there's not really much to it. I did think it was someone else that punted me off at the start, but I did when I looked on this video footage. It actually does show that my nose cone dropped, so I mustn't have reattached it properly, and my nose cone dropped, and I had no front steer because it was dragging, like it was lifting the front cart up a little bit, so I had no steer until obviously you'll see what happens. But that's essentially what happens. I during the race I thought someone had punted me, and I was in like my zone of, so you'll see it here, so I get clipped a little bit from behind, so that drops the GoPro, and you'll see here see how I rub that guy a little bit and it drops the nose cone. And I'll lower the volume here as well, because obviously all you're going to hear is just the scraping of my nose cone, but it dropped the nose cone, and that's what caused me to go straight onto the grass. Like, I couldn't steer, and that literally put me back into last. And I was, the person in front of me was like, I don't know, 100, 200 meters. They were already long gone, so you can see here that they're already a second ahead of me. Well, yeah, it says it all. Like you'll see time, difference of lap time, and gap in between me and the person in front of me. So it goes from 1 second, I pass him, or past the driver, and you can just see that I'm just driving through the field. So I ended up 19th, and you can see on lap, I'm trying to look at it as well, is it lap 6? Yeah, lap 6 I'm a second behind, then lap 7 I'm half a second, then lap 8 and onwards I'm right on 18's tail, and I couldn't quite pass him. He's a fast driver and he has speed and talent. I think I was a little bit faster time wise. I think I got the 10th fastest lap, so it showed that I had pace to be up the front, but obviously the kart and the driver in front of me were also fast drivers that weren't slow enough for me to take advantage of or to get around. They were still fast drivers. Even though I had faster laps, doesn't mean that I was the better or faster driver. Just, it is where it is. I couldn't get past him and I ended up 19th. Look, I'd say that was probably the best result I could get. I'm happy with that result. I would have liked to have been further up the front, but I mean, to get the 10th fastest lap multiple times is a real big improvement for me, and I'm happy with that. So sorry for the footage. Hopefully my off-script commentary wasn't as bad as what it was in my earlier days, but yeah, I'll just leave it at that. Thank you for watching, and yeah, please stay tuned. I've got the Tri-Series down at Canberra this weekend. Never raced at Canberra before. I'll have Saturday to practice and then Sunday's race, so not much track time, but do the best that I can. Please, yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and stay tuned for the next videos. Peace.